Do not hand your suitcase to that check-in agent. Not yet. Not until you hear this. Right now, somewhere in an airport basement, a scanner just flagged a bag. Not a bomb, not a weapon, a hairspray can, a phone charger, a toothbrush. Yeah, read that again. Here's the pain point. In 2026, airports upgraded their cargo scanners, and those scanners are now trigger happy. One false alarm and agents don't politely unzip your bag. They bolt cutter your lock off and search it like a crime scene. You won't even know it happened until you land, exhausted, and open a suitcase that looks like it lost a fight. But here's the dream outcome. The reason you're about to thank me. If you know exactly which 24 items are quietly banned, you pack around every single one of them. You sail through checkpoints, and you land with your bag exactly how you left it. Zero drama, zero fines, zero bomb squad. So stick with me, because item number 1 on this list is the single most confiscated object in airport history, and I promise you have one in your bag right now. Let's start the countdown. 24 down to 1. Number 24, industrial aerosols. Hairspray? Fine. Deodorant? Fine. TSA loves your personal care routine, but spray paint, WD-40, cooking spray, anything with a flammable propellant that isn't grooming related, that's an instant confiscation. The scanner doesn't care that you just wanted shiny shoes for the trip. But that's the easy one. Wait till you hear what's basically a firework in your gym bag. Number 23. Compressed air dusters. That little can you use to blast dust out of your keyboard. Same chemical family as the spray paint. Same instant flag. Leave it home. Speaking of things that ignite themselves, this next one doesn't even need a flame. Number 22. Strike anywhere. Matches, safety matches. The kind that need the strip on the box, those are fine in your pocket. But strike anywhere matches can ignite from friction alone. Now imagine that sitting in a cargo hold getting tossed around at 35,000 feet. Banned everywhere, no exceptions. And if you thought that was intense, wait till bears get involved. Number 21, bear spray. Bear spray is concentrated tear gas in a can. If it leaks mid-flight, it doesn't just ruin your suitcase. It can take down the entire baggage crew. Most airlines ban it outright, no matter the size. Buy it when you land, leave it behind when you go. Speaking of sprays that get people in trouble, Number 20, undeclared pepper spray. A small 4-ounce pepper spray with a safety mechanism. Some airlines allow it, if you declare it at check-in. Skip that step, and it's an automatic confiscation. Declaring it takes 10 seconds. Not declaring it takes your whole canister. Now let's talk about the souvenir that's landed more people in a hazmat conversation than anything else on this list. Number 19, high-proof spirits. That 140 proof rum from the Caribbean, that absinthe from Prague, anything over 70% ABV isn't a beverage to TSA, it's classified as fuel. Regular wine, vodka, most liquors between 24 to 70% ABV in bottles under 5 liters, totally fine. The high-octane stuff, ship it home instead. This next gadget looks like a lighter, acts like a lightning bolt. Number 18, plasma arc lighters. No fluid, no flame, just a 1,100 degree electric arc powered by a lithium battery. If that button gets pressed by accident inside your checked bag, it can ignite your clothes in seconds. Banned from checked luggage completely, carry-on only, and only with a safety latch. Now here's the item that gets the actual bomb squad called. Number 17, novelty replica bomb items. A grenade-shaped perfume bottle. A dynamite-shaped alarm clock. Funny at a party. To an X-ray machine, density is density. It can't tell a joke from a threat. The checkpoint shuts down, the bomb squad gets called, you get fined. Leave the novelty items at home. This isn't the bag to be funny in, this next one won't get you fined, but it will get you a very awkward conversation. Number 16, smart glasses at checkpoints. Ray-Ban Metas and other camera glasses aren't banned from flying, but wear them through security and you're basically filming federal agents. That's a fast track to a seized device and a grueling secondary screening. Powered off in the bin, simple as that. Now let's get into the real villain of this whole list. The item that shows up in disguise again and again. Number 15, butane cordless hair straighteners. The cordless straighteners everyone loves for travel run on pressurized butane. Serious. In a checked bag that's treated like an explosive, carry-on only, and the heating element needs a safety cover. Number 14, spare butane refill cartridges. And that little spare refill you packed just in case? Confiscated. No exceptions, no safety cover saves it. Cozy gadgets are next, and they're sneakier than you think. Number 13, battery heated vests. The vest itself, fabric, totally fine. But the lithium battery pack tucked in the pocket, that has to come out and travel with you in the cabin. Zip it in and forget it, and your whole bag could get pulled. Even your suitcase itself can get you flagged now. If you've watched this video to this point and you're interested in more contents, click the subscribe button. Number 12, smart luggage with non-removable batteries, built-in charger, built-in GPS tracker. Cool features, unless the battery doesn't pop out. In 2026, if you can't eject that battery with one finger, that bag is not flying. Period. This next one is for cold hands and warm trouble. Number 11, electric battery hand warmers. Not the old shake to activate packets. Those are fine anywhere. But the rechargeable electric ones are basically tiny battery packs. Treat them like a phone, carry on only, never checked. Now, medical travelers, this one's for you and it's an easy mistake to make. Number 10, loose, spare, CPAP or medical batteries. Your CPAP machine goes carry on, no question. But that spare battery for the flight has to travel with you too. Protected from short-circuiting with tape over the terminals or in its original box. Never loose, never checked. Curious. And this next one hides in plain sight, right in your ears. Number 9, rechargeable hearing aid. Charging cases. Old school zinc air hearing aid batteries, pack them anywhere. But the new rechargeable charging cases have lithium batteries built right in, and that case needs to be in your carry-on, not checked. We're closing in on the finale now, and the next few are about anything with a screen or a spin. Number 8, battery-powered laptops. Cargo hold pressure changes can mess with device batteries, turning your laptop into a fire risk. Carry it on and make sure it's charged for 150% of your flight time in case of delays. Number 7, collapsible electric scooters and wheelchairs. Love your mobility scooter? Disconnect the battery before you check the frame. Battery comes with you in the cabin. Call your airline 48 hours ahead to confirm the process. Number 6, portable handheld nebulizers. Tabletop plug-in nebulizers, checked bag is fine, but the portable handheld ones with a built-in battery, carry on only. Now here's the item that won't burn your bag down. It'll just make everyone think it's a bomb. Number 5, electric toothbrushes. If your toothbrush switches on mid-flight and starts buzzing inside your bag, baggage handlers hear vibration and think improvised device. They will tear your bag apart to find the noise. Tape the button down. Problem solved. Number 4, electric razors. Same rule, same panic. Engage the travel lock, or it's going in your carry-on where you can prove exactly what that buzzing is. Now, the screens. This next mistake is more common than you'd think. Number 3, tablets, Kindles, and e-readers. Flat lithium batteries are easy to puncture if a heavy suitcase lands on top of them, and a punctured battery means fire. Screens stay in the cabin. Always. Oh, and before we hit the top 2, let's kill a rumor. AirTags are not banned. The lithium inside is only 0.3 grams, way under the danger threshold. Toss them in your checked bag, guilt-free. Okay, 2 left. And number 2 is the mistake that even seasoned travelers make constantly. Number 2, laptops left in sleep mode. Checking your laptop because your carry-on is full? Fine, if it's fully powered down. Sleep mode isn't off. A sleeping laptop can wake up mid-flight, overheat, and ignite the clothes around it. Not sleep, not hibernate. Off. And now, the item responsible for more confiscated bags than anything else on this entire list. Number 1, power banks, lithium-ion batteries are prone to thermal runaway, meaning they catch fire. And a fire in a cargo hold is the single scariest scenario for any flight crew. If it charges your phone without a wall outlet, it belongs in your carry-on, always, and it needs to be under 100 watt-hours or TSA seizes it on the spot. That's it. All 24. You now know more about checked bag rules than 95% of people boarding today. Packing wrong isn't just annoying. It's a fast track to a shredded bag and a missed flight. But packing right? Confident. That's the whole game, and now you've got the cheat sheet. Here's the thing though. Knowing what not to pack is only half the battle. There's a whole new 2026 passport rule quietly grounding travelers before they even reach security. I broke it down in the video right here. Click it and make sure your ID doesn't become the reason your trip ends at the counter. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.